Today class is actually the stages of development. Already what is development we have discussed in our previous classes, previous 2-3 classes. We have already discussed the development, the principles of development, and also the prenatal stages of development. Today we discuss stages of development. Here the stages of development is broadly divided into two categories. First is the prenatal stages development and another is the postnatal development. Prenatal development usually start from conception to 280 days or birth. Already we discussed in our previous classes. It has three stages like period of ovum, period of embryo and period of fetus. So today we actually discuss about the postnatal development, which start from birth till death. Is usually defined broadly as the 5 categories. First one is the period of infancy, which start actually from birth till 2 weeks of life. That is called the baby is called the neonate. The newborn baby is called as the infant in the stage of infancy. The second stage is the period of babyhood, which start from 2 weeks to 2 years. Next one is the period of childhood. Period of childhood usually start 2 years to 9 years, up to 9 years, and the fourth stage is called the period of adolescence, which start from 9 years to 20 years. It also again divided into two broad categories: early adolescence and late adolescence. Early adolescence is 9 years to 13 or 14 years, usually 9 to 13 years in case of the female and 9 to 14 years in case of the male. Female are quickly mature than the male, and late adolescence stage start from the 13-14 years to 20 years, 13 years to 20 years in case of the female, 14 years to 20 years in case of the male. And last stage is the period of adulthood, which actually start 20 years onwards till death. It's broadly divided into 3 categories, like early adulthood stage, which start from 20 years to 40 years, middle adulthood stage, we start from 40 years to 60 years, and late adulthood stage, or this is called actually the old age. And this old age begins actually from 60 years onwards. Here the infancy stage, it is called the period of rest. Here the neonate, the newborn baby, is try to adjust with new environment. If we were that in the prenatal stage, he or she are staying in the mother home. Now he is adjust to the new environment. In babyhood stage is called the age of helplessness. Baby usually depends upon someone else for feeding, elimination, urination, for making sleep. Each and every work is depend upon anyone. And next one is the childhood stage. This stage actually he start control his environment. Basically he learns to make social adjustment, socially how to adjust, and he learns how to behave according to the social rule, regulation, norms, and also little bit he try to be social adaptive behavior. Next one is the adolescent stage. It is usually viewed as the critical period and the lays the foundation of maturity. Here the bodily and physical characteristics is acceptable, like height, weight, physical appearance, all in case of the male, female, sexuality, all the things as developed in the adolescence. Last one is the adulthood stage, concerned with many important phenomena. We describe in it one by one, like vocation, marriage, child rearing, illness, retirement, divorce, all the things. And it also be divided broadly as the 3 categories. And basically 60 years onwards we call the old age begins. This genetic stage, it is otherwise called as the genetic stage. The third stage is genetic stage, and many remarkable social emotional changes during old age happen. This is all over about the stages of development.